Hey y'all, this is Amanda with She's a Mad Gardener, and today I'm on my back porch, and this is my parents' puppy Beamer. He's staying with us while they're on vacation. He's 14 years old and he loves to garden, turns out. So while he's been staying here with us, he's been outside like crazy with us. So he's a sweetie. You'll see him running around today. But I'm super excited about today's video because it is an ode to one of my favorite YouTube creators, Linda Vater. All right, so Linda has her own channel right under her name, and I'll put it at the bottom for you guys. And she's been in the home and garden industry for a very long time. Her garden is very well established. The one thing that I love several things, but my favorite thing about Linda is that she is all about thrifting. She is not one to just go out and buy things full price or, buy the expensive urns and things like that. She collects things over time, which I'm all for. So one of the plants that she talks about most often in her garden that I absolutely love is a scented geranium. And in our area, that's known as a citronella plant. Okay, so that's another name for it. And so when I spotted this the other day at Homegrown in Farmersville, Texas, I immediately was inspired because I was like, I'm gonna do an ode to Linda Vater. Like, it's gonna be fabulous. So I ended up picking up the citronella plant, or the scented geranium, super excited about it. And then I was like, well, I can't just use any vessel. I have to use a thrifted vessel because that's what Linda would do. So I ended up finding this beautiful basket at Texas Thrift in Garland, Texas. The price on it is $7, but I got it for half off, so $3.50. And I love the length of it. I love the color of it. I love that it has handles. I was like, awesome, super excited. Then this all just kept rolling together, you guys, rolling together. I ended up getting this plant right here on the clearance rack at Lowe's, and I've been recuperating it for a couple of weeks. It is Magilla Purple Perea. And I'll put that up down below for you guys. It's part sun, it's part sun. And this one is full sun or part sun. So I think both of them can go together. Look at this, y'all. Okay, and you see these beautiful little purple flowers for the geranium? Ah. So I just thought they were beautiful together. Super excited, okay? Then I also have this piece, which was a thrifted piece from a long time ago that I thought I might try to work in. It might be a little too large. I don't know. We'll try to see. But let's get started. I'm going to start by filling this with moss at the bottom to try to keep more of the soil in. I'm going to add potting soil. I'm going to add my Plant Tone Go-To fertilizer, and I'm going to get these planted up. As a reminder, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you know when my latest videos are up. Okay, I put a layer of sphagnum moss at the bottom. I just used what I had on hand, which actually was dyed moss. Added some potting soil, and I added some plant tone. So I'm gonna get started with my plants. I'm gonna start with the scented geranium. Now, the scented geranium does need some upkeep. You will have to remove brown leaves, dying leaves from it, just to keep it looking pretty. Of course, you can just leave them and wait for them to fall off. I don't mind. It takes like 30 seconds to come in and kind of clean it up a little bit. No big deal. So yeah, you will have to do a little bit of upkeep with a scented geranium, or also known in our area as citronella plant. All right. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be so pretty, y'all. Let me see. All right, and then I'm gonna backfill that. some more soil. As you can tell, Beamer is very interested in gardening. Y'all, this is gonna be so pretty. Okay, got that one in. So now I wanna come back with the Magilla Purple Perea. I've never grown this. It says it's an upright annual seasonal color. I'm gonna aim for this back corner, and then hopefully I'll be able to work this into the design as well. So let's see what that looks like. I'm gonna rotate it this way, and so now I've got these taller leaves kind of interacting with the geranium, and then these spilling over, and that kind of leaves a space right here for perhaps that trinket. So let's see, I think that trinket is like from the top of like an old fence or something, I would think. I found it in a trash pile on the side of the road, in a neighbor's trash, and I was like, yeah, that could be something, that's a very Linda moment too. She always seems to find beauty in the mundane, which I think is fabulous. I am literally dripping with sweat, y'all. The humidity, I mean, it's only 10 o'clock in the morning, and I am just, oh, it's rough. Oh my gosh, look how pretty that looks. I love it, I love it. Looks like I need a little bit more dirt over here. Now, truthfully, I'm thinking if I were true to form, Linda loves to top dress her designs with gravel. I don't have gravel with me, you guys, so this won't be a full out Linda design, but it'll be close. Okay, let's work this in. What do we think, y'all? Take a look. Let's see if I can straighten this up a little bit. Bring it forward. There we go. I might use some stakes to kind of pin some of these in place. I like the idea of putting that there. How about that? And you can do that. You guys, if you have a branch that's kind of astray, and you want it to kind of work into the design a little bit more, you can use a landscape pin to kind of pin it in place. Just don't pin it hard. Yeah, beautiful. What do y'all think? Y'all think I did Linda proud? What do you think, Beamer? Looks good? Yeah. Ah, I love it. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed my little ode to Linda Vater. Make sure you check out her channel when you have time. Loved utilizing this thrifted basket and some clearance plants, and I think the result is beautiful. As always, she's a mad gardener or a decorator or anything else that she wants to be. Thanks, y'all.